Alright, here is a SMD machine, you understand? A lot of you don't know how to control your temperature and air while using this. You know, things like RAM, eMMC, power IC, and CPU. This one is RAM, okay? So here, I remove all these ones. Have been working on this since last night, but just that it's late, so I have to leave it till today. So here is the power IC. So the temperature you're going to use, removing all these components, is you're going to set your temperature to either 330. I use 330, 320. I use it. Then you set your air to 5 or 4, depending on how you want it. But don't give the air. Don't allow the air to exceed 6 or 5. You understand? You know, when you use excessive air, it will blow up the IC. You understand? When you set the IC, the air, if the air is too much, to take away the IC. Those that are using that, they understand what I'm talking about. So the best temperature for you to use is 320, 330 for your CPU, reballing, or eMMC, all those components, you understand? Don't use exceed that. If you use that, I don't think those IC will survive that. You understand? Use 3 something like this. Let me take the hand blower. As you can see, now it's working. You understand? Let me show you so you can see it working. Now here is 334. You understand? Or bring it down to 330 or 320. You understand? 320 or even less. If you want to take long and doing the job, you can take long. But I recommend use 320 or 330. You understand? So that all those IC can withstand the heat that is coming out. If you use more than like this, the IC will give up. Like seriously, the IC will give up, and you have to go and buy a new one. So bring it down to 320, 330. I don't even use 357. If I use 350, then that is meaning I'm doing another work than reboiling. Understand? So, and if you want to remove a back cover, you understand? If you want to remove back cover from any device like this, all those plastic back cover that you need to heat before you remove, make sure you set your temperature to either 200, then you can give your air the way you want, or make sure you give 200 or 1 something, so that you can protect the heat and the airflow.